To import gaze videos, first, connect the companion phone to your computer. On your computer, access the internal storage and navigate to Documents and then Ganzin Record to find the folder containing your gaze videos, such as the path through Categorized, Shopping, and finally, the Picking Snacks folder. Copy this entire folder to your computer and then open Caelus. Under Info, you can activate the standard version and choose your preferred language. Now, for project management, first go to the Projects tab and click Add to create a new project. For example, typing Shopping as the project name. Once that's created, simply select the project, and then you can manually add an experiment name right under it. For example, type Picking Snacks and click Add. Select the experiment and add your recording from the folder, so Caelus can analyze the video. Then, confirm the pop-up and click Add to complete. You can also review and manage all participants' details. To analyze the gaze video, go to Projects, choose a project, select an experiment, and click Analyze to enter preview mode. In preview mode, you can play back and review the video, showing the gaze sequence overlaid on the real environment. Now, you can add a start tag onto the video timeline, choosing your preferred color and name for it. Clicking Confirm will then show this tag on the preset list. Next, select a starting point on the timeline and click your Start tag. After that, create an End tag to select the exact video segment you want to analyze, choosing another preferred color and name for it, so you can go to your ending point and click the End tag to add it to the timeline. Now switch to Analyze mode to set up your time of interest, or TOI. Select your preset start and end tags. Then give your TOI a name. Next, add a reference image. We highly recommend using Select from Video to capture the scene from your selected segment. Then click Confirm to complete. Once it is set up, click Remapping to remap gaze data. First is the heat map, where you can customize your preferred visuals, such as the color map. Second is the gaze plot, where you can customize fixation circles, connection lines, and labels to tailor your scan path. Last is the AOI. Utilize the shape and editing tools to draw rectangular or polygonal AOIs on the screen, and then name them, such as First Row. Next, draw the second polygonal AOI, change its color, and name it Second Row. Now, let's create the third one. Select a different color for it, and label this area as Third Row. Next, continue by drawing the fourth polygonal AOI on the screen. Select another vibrant color, and label this new area as Fourth Row. Finally, draw the last polygonal AOI, pick another color, and name it Milk Tea. The system automatically calculates metrics like TTFF and time spent. Select your target AOIs to instantly review the results. You can group individual AOIs into custom categories to aggregate data, and then review the averaged analytical metrics of the combined regions. After creating these distinct categories, you can easily edit each AOI and assign them into different groups. For example, let's group the first, third, and fourth rows into chocolate-flavored. Next, create another category called Others. Then, edit the second row to group it under the Others category, and do the same for the milk tea AOI. Click Category Average of individual TOI to review key analytical metrics, including time to first fixation, time spent, and revisit frequency. Click the Export button. Caelus allows you to export various types of data, including original video, remapped video aligned to the reference image, raw gaze data, and event data. Simply select whether to base the export on heat maps, gaze plots, or AOI metrics to generate all your data.
Ganzin Technology. See the wonders.